Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free CSGO skins. Of course, not the illegal way, but one of the first things that I can tell you is heading over to Play Store and checking out CSGO case. So we have here Cheeky skins. They're not being promoted here, okay? But I guess that's what I'm doing. But they're not sponsoring us. But I have been a user of this app for a long time, and I can say that it does give you free skin. Alright, there's another way, although it's not free too. It's not free either. But also not illegal very much, is that I will tell it later. So here we are now on GC skins. All you need to do is log into your account, and then on the homepage you'll see all of these, like you see like there's some money on the top right corner, like how much coins. And what happens is that you can use these coins in order to exchange them for skin. And you can earn them by doing surveys, apps, or whatever, not illegal. And as you can see here, we have cases, and you can exchange coins for these cases, and you might be able to receive a skin that might be well worth your time. And as you can see here in my inventory, I have received this Glock 18 Moonrise, which I really loved until I sold it onto market again on my inventory. And yeah, I think it was worth it, although I could have saved it much more, which I think you should do in order to get a much better skin. Yeah, as you can see here, lots of tasks that you can do in order to earn more coins. Another thing that you can do is actually many other platforms, such as Face It here. I think it's a bit laggy, but yeah, you should use this on your Windows, actually, in your desktop, because like Face It is like, it's like a platform where you can play while also gain rewards or coins from missions that you can exchange for skins. And I have to say, Face It has good rewards. But that's it. That's some tips that I can share to you. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.